All right, we got the eufy installed yesterday, and it works great. All was great with that. And it's not as noisy as our old system. I'll let you hear it. I'm going to lock it. Very quiet. Very quiet. I really recommend it. It's easy setup with the website, easy installation, and it gives you notifications. You can lock it from anywhere that you need to if you need to let somebody in. And the website is really easy to, you download the app, set it up, have a Wi-Fi that's 2.4 gigahertz, and it works great. So far, we're really pleased with it. And hope it gives you a little insight on what if you need one. They work great. Now all I got to do is paint the door. I wish I'd have painted it before installed, but another day. Thanks for looking. It's the eufy C34.